What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. You can't see me because I got the helmet cam on. But me and my brother-in-law just came to Cycle Gear, man. He got him a new helmet. Let me show y'all what he's working with. This is the Shark Evo 1 2. So it comes and goes up and around. The nose does. Pretty dope. So he got that, man. And then he came and bought his brother-in-law or his brother a bell, because his brother got a motorcycle. So see my reflections. So I think we're about to head over there, man, and I think we're gonna head to the Harley dealership over in Stafford as well, because he wants to try to get a cup holder. So yeah, so let's do that. All right, kinfolk, we're about to head out, man. We're gonna head to the Stafford Republic Harley Davidson, and let's see, and then we are going to, he said he wants to try to find him a cup holder, and then we're gonna go visit his brother so he can give him that bell. So yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been on the bike. The last time I was on the bike is whenever we had to take it to the dealership. Oh God. Take it to the dealership to get that oil thing checked out, man. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click up above, and you can check it out real quick. But yeah, man, so we're gonna head over there, and hopefully the mic is good. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Because I got it in a new place, so we'll see what happens. And kinfolk, it is freaking hot. It is 91 degrees and hot as hell. So we are going to hurry up and get on the road, because I am sweating my balls off. Hopefully y'all like my Dixon. What you think of my Dixon? It's good stuff, man. Good stuff. Oh, my brother-in-law back there. Right now it shows it is 91 degrees here, kinfolk. So that means it probably feels like 98 or 99. It is a hot one, definitely a hot one. Shit, I should have went, but I didn't know my brother-in-law is gonna be able to go. We're gonna go all the way across. Here we go. Get it? Yeah, baby. All right, now I gotta wait on my brother-in-law. Where'd he go? There he is. Alright. Here we go, kinfolk. Okay, so I'll get back with y'all, man, as soon as we get to Republic. See ya! Alright, kinfolk, we are almost there, man. We're almost to Republic Harley Davidson. For those of y'all that don't know, I mentioned a Guardian bell earlier we got for my brother-in-law's brother, so for those of y'all that don't know, I'm pretty sure just about everybody knows, but just in case you don't, a Guardian bell is something that is it's an actual bell that you attach to your bike, and it is supposed to be gifted to you. And what a Guardian bell does is, whenever the bell is ring-a-ding-a-ling, it's supposed to keep all the road gremlins and bad spirits away from you. It's supposed to give you protection, so it protects you and your bike while you're out riding. So that's the whole thing of a guardian belt. And then yeah, my brother-in-law is wanting to get a cup holder, so he got the new helmet. He got a backrest, also a rider's backrest, a driver's backrest, highway pegs, a trunk. He added to his Street Glide. He's got a 2020 Street Glide, and he got those because by the time you're seeing this, we're either on our trip or already back from our trip. I'm not sure when I'm gonna put this out yet, but we are just headed to the hill country. So this coming weekend, we were supposed to leave for well, the weekend of June 11th. We were supposed to leave for Minnesota, but as you know, all these unfortunate situations have been arising, so we will not be doing that. But we are going to go ahead and head to the hill country because my brother-in-law still has vacation. I'm off, so what better way than to just go ahead and head to the hill country and have a great week. So we're going to be leaving. We will be leaving on Friday early morning, and then we'll be leaving early Friday morning, and then coming back on Wednesday. So we're gonna be gone for a little bit, 4 or 5 days. So that's pretty cool, and I can't wait, man. I'm excited about the whole thing, and so we'll see how it goes. But we're gonna stay in, a couple hotels and stuff like that as we cruise around the hill country out there. So it's gonna be good times, man. Bandera and all that good stuff. So my brother-in-law's never been, so this will be his first time to go. But yeah, all right, well, let's go ahead and get into this dealership Republic and look at that shit. Oh damn, he done flipped the flipper again, bro. Flipper again. Let me see. Oh fuck, flipper. Oh god, that's a transformer in the house. We'll get his thoughts on it here in a little bit. Alright, kinfolk, we are now headed to our brother-in-law's brother's house. So we're gonna go give him this bail. Let's roll. There are a lot of good looking bikes in there, man. Especially the CVOs. Pretty dope. Man, all this food smells so good. So good. What do you think of that helmet, bruh? What do you think of that helmet? I like it. It's good? Hell yeah. So, can you hear me now? Yeah, dude. So that's pretty cool. Is it? Yeah. It's nice. Yeah, so he said that shark helmet, man, is really, really quiet. Really nice, so that's cool. He's been looking at that helmet for a while, man. And he didn't want to pull the trigger just yet because he was hoping to get a different color, but he ended up pulling the trigger anyway. So that's cool. He'll have it for our trip. So that's good stuff, man. Well, kinfolk, I'm going to go ahead and end this, man. This one here. Sorry, it wasn't too much going on. Didn't find him a cup holder because they didn't have any. They only had the Zero, but it was a small one. He wants the big one, or there's also one that's got just a ring, he said, and where you can slide your tumbler in there, made by Zero as well, but they didn't have that one. So, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And make sure you hit that like button. Hit the notification bell also, so every time I put videos out, you get notified and you don't miss any of them. Make sure you check out the Hour of Power, man, every Friday night, starting at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. It's with me and all the boys, if we can all come up with videos for that week. Andrew Tour Midwest, J-Mac 707. You got Steve from Stevietv, Cuz from Dad and Mad. All their links are down below. And Skidpig, he because he's from Australia, man, the times are a little hard for him, so he doesn't really hit videos up on Friday nights with us, but check his channel out because he still puts video ups on Saturdays. So make sure you go give him a follow as well. Like I said, everybody's link is down below. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.